Hey guys, today let's learn how to disable our Instagram account. So in the case that you want to go ahead and basically deactivate or disable your Instagram account, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how, so please watch this video until the end to find out. Okay guys, so over here, I want you to go ahead first of all and tap on your Instagram applications. And once you're already here, let's go ahead over here on to our options to tap on our profile. And then let's tap on the top right section on the three lines. Now, once you're already here, what I want you to go ahead on next is to tap on settings and privacy, and let's tap on our accounts center. Now, once you're already onto your account center, let's tap on personal details. Let's go over on account ownership and control. And then as you see right here, we have this option called deactivation or deletion. Let's tap on that and let's choose the preferred Instagram account that we want to deactivate or disable for the meantime. And then from here, let's tap on deactivate account. Make sure that you are actually deactivating your account because this is going to be temporary, and this is also going to disable your account for a short while until you log back in again. So tap on continue. And the last thing we need to do is to re-enter our password for this account. Tap on continue once more, and since as of the moment I don't really want to deactivate my account, so I'm just going to show you guys step by step just how, and this is all for this tutorial, guys. I hope you guys learned something. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.